እሺ ማኑኤል ኬ
yes K
እንደነ
I'm fine
ደህና
ነኝ
አረማመድ ሁሉ እንግሊዘኛ ሆኗል ዛሬ
አዎ ያው ከማቀርበው ከሙዚቃው ጋር አብሮ ይሄዳል ብዬ
የሚሄድ ነገር ነው እሺ ማኑኤል ኬ በየውድድሩ ላይ መጥቶ እንዲያዝናና ከተፈረደባቸው አጨብጭቡ እንዴ ስለዚህ እስቲ ቆንጆ ስራህን አቀርብ ለዚህ ዙር
ኦኬ artist Ice Cube title You Can Do It remix Manuel K yeah get your ass and hara aha Ice Cube baby yeah 99 baby migrant baby all the time baby and you what you doing you can't do it put back into it I can't do it put us into it put your back into it yeah back into it we be clubbing show me something beep beep check yourself rasen fatish by joking an example በተረትና ምሳሌ yeah he is going his bed by illness it should be taking a safe ታሞ ከመባቀቅ አስቀድሞ መጠንቀቅ it is better to live at the lions than one day 100 years as a sheep 100 ዓመት እንደበግ ከመኖር ይልቅ አንድ ቀን እንዳንበሳ ሆኖ መጥፋት ይሻላል where estimation the name of tree cutting ቀበሌ የት ይደርሳል የተባለ ዛፍ ቀበሌ ቆረጠው don't stop nigga hiri that real don't stop big hiri aware with friends working and eating double talking and double sleeping እንደ ጓደኞች ሰርተ አትብላና አማረቱብኝ በል ተጋድመ ዋልና don't stop nigga hiri aware don't stop big hiri that real it is the way just do it aha you can tiri piri pachu into it yeah I can tiri piri pachu into it እንዲ እንተርክ ዘሃይና ጎ ዘ ዶግ ኢዝ ባርክ ጅብ ከደ ውሻጫ ዘራቱ ኢትነስ ስሞል በርድ ያ ምስክር ድንቢት whenever I think the fraud is coming የትምጩ ዲቀቱ ላምጪው even though passes the end night donkey for ሃይና ተዋልት ደር እንጂ አህያ የጅብላት security in the club security in the club we be clubbing show me something Manuel K yes K what is the meaning of K it is my name just like Manuel I am a poor man my father is military my problem is money if you have money you can go by the sky ገንዘብ ካለ በሰማይ መንገድ አለ if you haven't the money you can go by the foot ገንዘብ ከሌለ በእግር ትሄዳለህ like this ቻርቻ please stay don't stop nigga hiri that real don't stop big hiri aware to talkative man you will give you backbone ለነገረኛ ሰው ጀርባን ስጠው thank you
እሺ የተመልካቾች ካርድ ማለት ለሚቀጥለው ዙር ይምጣ ወይስ አይምጣ ነው ለምንታ ስለዚህ የሚቀጥለው ዙር ላይ እንገናኛለን
አመሰግናለሁ
እሺ እናመሰግናለን
thank you